Yes, hello everyone. For today's video, meron po akong na-observe sa GCash platform. So, yun ay yung doon po sa buying load. Meron akong nakita na it's a bit changes nila. Kasi regular po ako naglo-load sa aking mga anak sa Pilipinas. And now I saw something is different now. Kaya titingnan natin. So, in a regular load, okay, yung lowest nila is 10 pesos pa rin. So, on September specials is, eto, may special po sila ng September, which is a best for student as well. Parang same, almost same lang sila ng mga description, di ba? Kasi kung titingnan nyo po, itong Go 59 for student, at saka best for student na Go 59, pareho lang po yung services itself nila. But before, meron po siyang 50 pesos dyan. Ngayon, you cannot say anymore 50 pesos. Di ka na makakapag-load ng 50 pesos. Baga, nag-plus 9 na siya. But I don't know which one is the difference the service niya before yung 50 pesos. Is it really new na bago may inad silang services dito sa Go 59, or talagang yung new lang na masasabi is new, it's just because nag-raise sila ng price sa 50 pesos na iyon. So best for student, wala na po yung 50 pesos. Yun pa naman yung lowest budget ko para sa aking mga anak. Pag may mga urgent matters na kailangan nila ng top up. So ayun, parang nagmahalan ng lahat guys, pati load. Include na yung tingnan natin, let's check the noon then dito sa Go Plus or Go, meron po siyang, yes, aside from 50 pesos, may Go 90 pa dyan ata. Yon, pero kasi Go 90, ito, may Go 99 sila. No comes with a hair. Go boosters. Ay. Alam niyo ba yung 10 pesos, makakabili pa yun ng isang sibuyas. Pero now, we cannot just top up immediately kasi ito kung wala kang 60 pesos. Grabe, no? For student pa naman, and it's very, kasi siguro in their service nakikita nilang very yung 50 pesos. So of course, if once the product or the services is in demand, magre-raise talaga sila ng kanilang price. Kasi start na po ng klase. So, student don't have really choice. Otherwise, you can choose any amount from their platform or from any of their services more than 50 pesos. You cannot, rather, ewan ko lang if what can do between 10 pesos to 50 pesos na load, kung magkakaroon ka ba ng ilang gigabyte sa iyong wifi. But as you can see, for Go 15 pesos, you can only have 5 GB for all sites. So it's enough. Actually, it's more than enough if you just scrolling up, or you just use this Wi-Fi into your study, not into your social medias, because 5 GB is not much enough para mag-scroll sa TikTok, YouTube, etc., or to watch something. Very easy to ito. Kaya I will advise to the students na learn also some tips paano baka less ng, kasi talagang nagmamahalan na lahat. Yun lang yun. So their students, na it's so pricey, even your load, your parents cannot afford anymore soon. Okay, so please mag don't spend too much a lot in social medias. If you don't use this, okay, then kasi kawawa yung parents natin, kawawa kami. Kawawa kami as a parents anyway, kasi wala na talaga, hindi mo na kasi ano magagawa ng 10 to 50 pesos, diba? So yan lang guys, yan lang, kasi wala na talaga. Maglo-load pa sana ako ngayon for 50 pesos, pero wala na. Yung ibibili ko ng isang sibuyas, mapupunta na naman sa load guys. Ay nako, what's happening?